Ready to unlock the secrets of your affiliate marketing success by knowing exactly which links are raking in the clicks? First, let's navigate the digital realm by connecting the dots between Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager. This powerhouse duo is your key to unlocking valuable click data. Begin by logging into your Google Tag Manager account if you don't have one. Create a free account on the Google Tag Manager website. Next, open up your Google Analytics account and get ready to copy your tracking ID inside your Google Tag Manager account. Start by setting up a new tag. Name your tag something instantly recognizable like affiliate link click tracker so you know exactly what it does. Choose Universal Analytics as the tag type. Now comes the configuration in the Google Analytics settings section. You have to paste in your Google Analytics tracking ID, then select event as the track type. You will then define event tracking parameters. Set the category to affiliate links. Keep the action as click or another clear label. Set the label to click URL. Next, click on triggering and add a new trigger for this. Choose just links as the trigger type so it will record clicks on links. Select the option to track all link clicks. Click save on both your trigger and your tag, then publish your new tag. This will save all your work. Jump back into Google Analytics. You'll now start seeing this click data within your analytics, which gives you a deep understanding of which affiliate links are converting the best. To view it, go to behavior and then events. And finally, overview. This will become your go-to spot to analyze and optimize. Armed with this data, you can better optimize your affiliate marketing strategies and watch your earnings soar.